If you are treating wombats for sarcoptic mange in the field, I'm going to show you how to upload your wombat treatment using WomSAT. So once you have registered an account with WomSAT or are logged in, you can proceed to Map Wombats. So to enter your wombat treatment, you want to click on the plus button to the left-hand side here, and you will be given 3 options in which to choose from. And because you're treating wombats for sarcoptic mange in the field, you want to click wombat treatment. So scrolling down, you can enter data for treatment of an individual wombat, or you can enter treatment for burrows that are being treated with a chemical to treat wombats for sarcoptic mange, or you can enter both. So going back up, if you have a photograph of the treatment to support your entry, you can choose the file and upload it here. You want to enter the date that the treatment occurred and the approximate time. And then if you know your coordinates, you can enter them here. Alternatively, you can select the pin button down the bottom right, and that will pin your exact location of where you are treating the wombats in the field at the time. So if you are treating an individual wombat, you can click this button here and proceed to enter the details following it. So if you have a nickname for the wombat, you can ID it by entering that data in this section. You want to enter the treatment of the chemical that you're administering and its volume as well. And then the method of the application that you are using, either pollen scoop, burrow flap, or if you're using another method, you can specify that in this section here. You can also select whether you've treated this wombat previously, and you can enter the date in which that occurred. And then if you have evidence of the outcome of that treatment, if it is known, you can enter the date and you can make any notes here. So if you are treating burrows and you've got burrow flaps installed, you can select the number of burrow entrances that you are treating, and then the area that is being treated also. Again, the chemical that's being used to treat sarcoptic mange in wombats and the volume. And if you've got any other notes that you would like to add about the burrow treatment specifically, you can enter it into this section here or into the notes section at the bottom here. So you can also opt in to display the record of the treatment that is taking place to all users, but you can also make it private if you choose to do that. So once you have entered your data for that treatment, you can continue to add another record. If you've got individual wombats that you'd like to identify and upload, otherwise you can click submit and your entry has been recorded, and you can see that detail in your account if you've created an account.